Yeah, I bet you I could climb this.
You cannot climb that.
I bet you I could.
No, you can't. Look at, they even have like little blade thingies right there. You can't climb it, Mom.
Yes, I could.
No, you can't. Hold on, let me. Mom, stop.
I'm just kidding. Kids never climb those. I was just joking. Mom, look at Poppin' burritos. These are both new. I thought we were trying to get healthy, you guys.
I'm really hungry for chips.
Okay, get 2 of those then. Poppin' jalapeno.
And Blaze.
And Blaze.
I'm trying to be on a diet.
Well, we could be.
Wait, I'm sorry I'm getting fat.
These 2? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
They're kind of hard, guys. They're not very
Kinda?
fresh. Like,
I call these.
I don't know.
They're not called conchas. They're called turtles.
Peas.
No, those are too hard. I'm not buying. I'm not buying those. Enrique's gonna break his little fake teeth that he has. Back it up. You guys, like, why are these so...
That one I said, that one's
Maybe
good. They're supposed to be hard. Get 2 of those.
2 happy faces?
No, 3.
2. They're 2 for $1.
Oh.
I'm gonna show you guys how to go through the market fast. This is what I do. Okay, Faith, I want you to get 6 of these, and I want you to get 10 of these. Okay? Stella, I want you to find these soft ones, and I want 10 of these, please. And then Alyssa, come here. I want you to get me 10 of these, nice and soft, okay? Okay, so I am going to get a watermelon. I think I told you guys how I pick watermelons. I normally go with the one that looks the worst. Like before I used to go with the one that looks the best, but my neighbor told me, she's like, you want to get watermelons that are like messed up and ugly because they were sitting there on the farm longer, so they're sweeter. And I've been doing that, and thank you, Eileen, because it's been amazing. So like, I don't know, like normally I would pick like this one just because it's so beautiful. That's just, you know, how I used to buy them. But now I go with like, this looks like it's been sitting. Cream of celery, yes. Do they have a big one? Because I need a big one. Cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. Okay, and also do they have an imitation one? Because like I don't mind buying, you know, Kroger. This is a big deal for them. I literally grew up on cup of noodles. Oh, sorry. I literally grew up on cup of noodles, you guys, and these kids are just like, it's a huge deal for them to be able to have this, because I don't let them, really, but you threw it like that. I don't let them have stuff like that. I don't think it's good for them. I think it's full of caffeine. Why did I say caffeine? Because I was walking down this aisle. I meant to say salt.
Wait, Mom, how am I supposed to...
Just put them in here, baby.
Super surprise pack.
Just put whatever will fit. Oh my god, this is much needed today, you guys.
And this could be a lip.
Just uploaded a video. Yeah, I've been editing this video for like 3 hours. I was trying to make it as perfect as possible because it was all of the kids from my daughter's school, and they're just wonderful kids, and I didn't like, I don't know, it's always scary when you put other people's kids in your video, so I tried not to put too much, but enough to make their day. Hopefully I made your day, you guys. If you're watching, thank you guys so much for being subscribed to me, and you guys are the reasons why I'm trying not to say bad words anymore, because my kids are used to it. All night long. Today I woke up just feeling like really sick. Not like feverish, just my throat and my chest are like freezing. And Enrique is also coughing, so I'm assuming that he feels the same way. It just, oh my god, we cannot shake this flu. Like, we are just passing it back and forth. I think today I have to work on just bleaching everything, like just trying to get this germ out of this house. I'm also planning on making some soup. I just need a little more rest, you guys. And hopefully by the next time you guys see me, I'm feeling better. Alright, you guys, I don't feel good, but I'm gonna work out. I don't know if you guys can hear me with all the wind, but yeah, I decided that I was gonna run today just because I have to push myself.
Go! Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up!
Alright. I kept freezing, Mom. Literally just ran a mile. Alright.
You could use both sides.
Where do you want it?
Faith, please don't hurt me.
Let's do the bottom part first.
Please don't. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right there then.
So you guys, the reason why I don't shave my legs is because I wanted to wax my legs, and you're supposed to let your hair grow out. Okay, wait, you're supposed to pull my skin. That's why I see the ladies do it.
Okay, I'm not that lady.
They pull the skin.
Your skin doesn't even pull.
Oh my god, Faith, like don't hurt me, please. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Baby feet.
Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Okay, go. Go. Why did that one hurt more than usual?
Because it's in your ankles.
Waxing. Look like I'm doing.
Yes,
babe, I've been growing my hair out. It's not attractive? I grew my hair out so I could wax my legs.
She wants to be like Gandhi or something.
Okay, wait, Faith. Wait. You gotta prepare me.
Okay? I have to prepare myself.
Okay.
Let's start with them.
Okay, go. You guys, I'm about to film my first video where I do a gangster, like a chola gangster look. I have Skyla putting a blanket on my bed that... Don't show me! I don't know why, I just feel like it's gangsterish. I have like a weave on my hair and I don't know. I hope it comes out, you guys. I asked you guys on Snapchat like what you guys wanted to see, and that's what you guys chose. I put up 3 characters, like a super little rich valley girl. I put up a gangster and Zanja. And you guys chose the gangsta, so that's what I'm doing. You guys, like, I cannot find an oldie in my songs for the life of me. People always ask me, like, why you wear your makeup like that? And it's like, it's because we're different. It's because we're different. We're scary. We want people to know not to mess with us. It's really hard coming up with characters because you never know, like, are people gonna hate this? Or it's just hard. But I don't know, like, I just think, like, I just gotta do what I feel, if that makes any sense. I feel that sometimes there's more to me than just vlogging. Like, I love vlogging and I love sharing my life, but I also want to, like, create, like, different characters and act. And I don't know why. It's just, it makes me happy. And I don't know, like, I love funny. Like, I love funny. I can't believe that I can't find a one oldie. Sorry, I know this is super boring. I hope my video that I put up about being a gangsta made it better. And I hope you guys don't unsubscribe. I hope you guys enjoy, you know, differentness, uniqueness. Alright guys, let's get this video filmed. Oh my god, this is so weird. It is really weird. I don't even know if I remember, like, how to make my makeup like a gangsta. Let me see. I feel like automatically I'm going to turn into Zanja just because it's in my nature to turn into Zanja. And Zanja just comes so easy. It comes so easy for me just to be like a bitch. Alright, let's do it. Alright, you guys, that was so much fun. Like, I'm gonna fall in love with this character. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I kind of miss Zanja. Let me do a thumbnail. Like, I feel like I miss Zanja. Zanja has so much going on right now, though. It's not even fun. But really, you guys, that was so much fun. I got super into it. I hope the video comes out. Enrique, you want to go to Target is shopping for a toy?
Why do you return like that? Whatever.
Oh. No, wait, we'll go tomorrow. So I was just telling Enrique right now, I'm like, Enrique, let's go to Target. And he goes, I'm not going with you like that. Like, go wash it off and then I'll go with you. I don't know how girls do it with long hair. Like, I'm dying already. I will cut it off if this is real. No, we're going to go tomorrow because it's nighttime and guess who's outside? All the cholos. Elbow.
No, they're not.
You want the cholos to get you? They look like this. They're outside. They know I'm talking about them. So I'm going to be taking all of this paint off. Like, by the way, you guys, I hardly wear makeup. Like, I wear lipstick and mascara. Just because I don't take my dailies. He goes, let's go, Mom. Take your dailies. That's so cute. Okay, we'll go right now. Let me take the makeup off because this is gross. I'm not going anywhere. It's midnight. It's 11:56.
Why?
I'm just kidding, baby. I will go right now. So you guys, I don't like wearing makeup because I don't like the way it feels on my skin. Like, it's just not for me. Like, I just don't like feeling like, I don't know, like it's just so much. So anyways, I'm going to be using the Garnier Clean. That works amazing. So all you have to do is get some, put it on your hand. And this is what I use to take off like my mascara. You guys are going to see like what the hell this is about.
You wipe it off. Right
Sometimes, like, you know, you're too lazy to, like, wash your face. Don't act like that never happened, you guys. Because it sure does happen to me.
Oh, we don't look at all the makeup.
And I've had this for, like,
I want to see it. I want to see it.
almost a year.
I want to see it. That better. No, that better.
Mommy looks better now, baby?
I see it.
See this, you guys? This is a chola on my face.
I see it. I see it. Ew.
Yeah.
I like caca. I like poopy.
It's like poop. Yeah. So that's all you need, you guys. Like, I'm just going to use a little more just to make sure like my pores are really clean. I'm going to wash my face, but like, I don't know. And I just like put a mask on.
What the hell? You should put a mask on you? Why? What people?
Okay.
I put you in face.
Alright, and there you go. So what do you guys think of this long hair? Oh, let's get rid of these hoops. My neighbor's hoops, she was so sweet. She's like, you need hoops. I called her. I'm like, do you have really white, like, what do you call it? Because I knew it was out. Do you have really white foundation? She's like, yeah. Look, I forgot I got this for you. From the field trip. And she's like, yeah, I have some. And so she loaned it to me. No, she goes, I don't have any. And I'm like, I go, what do I need? Like, to be a chola? Like, I forget. I don't want to, like, remember when I'm editing. And she goes, you need hoop earrings. Like, you have to have hoop earrings.
Show me some toys.
And I'm like, okay. Alright, guys. I am going to end this video. I'm going to edit this video, see how it comes out. I might not put it up. Oh my god, I'm so nervous about it. It's always nerve-wracking, you guys. It's never easy to do something different and do something new. That's why when I see people do something new and it's not like my favorite thing in the world, I'm just so proud that they actually stepped out of their comfort zone, you know? It's just the way it should be, you know? We should support each other always. So I'm sure maybe some of you guys think this sucks, but just remember how uncomfortable, well, I mean, it was actually kind of fun, but you know, it's just something new, and you guys actually voted for this, so please take it easy on me. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to our channel, you know what to do down below. It is totally free, and I will see you guys on our next video. Deuces, dailies.
And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
In serio? You'll never meet another ruca who looks like this. Every time I look in the mirror and I see myself, how fly I look, or how gangster I look, I'm like, yo, that's firme que wow. Oh shit, that's kind of flat for my taste.
And they stay there.